You are into tech field and you want to earn more and more money. So it's pretty obvious that you want to learn a programming language as well for that. But choosing an ideal language for you, that's the tough thing, I guess. So I'm gonna make sure at the end of this video you get to choose the ideal language for you. So before diving into the video, I want you guys to hit that like button and that subscribe button to stay tuned for our every video. So, programming language, and which one should you choose? First of all, let me tell you one thing, that choosing a programming language is not that tough. Learning one is the toughest thing. The first one that you will learn will be the most difficult one. No matter if it's Python or it's Java, the first one that you'll be learning would be the toughest one, and the rest of them will be a bit easier for you, because each and every programming language resides around a same thing. It's loop, it's recursion, it's function calling, and many more stuff. Just the syntax are different. Like in Java it's different, in Python it's different, in C it's different, in C++ it's different. But still the question is same. Which one should you choose? So before choosing a language for you, just make sure that your language passes 3 checkpoints. First is job perspective. The second one is technology you want to learn. And the third one, that is the difficulty level, and it's the most important thing you want to consider before choosing a language. Before choosing a language, just make sure and go and study that which programming language offers the most salary, because that's obvious. If you want to learn something, you want to earn as well. So learning a great language that offers a more job can help you make more money. So I did some of my research work and I found that there are 4 languages that offers the most job. First one is Java, then Python, then C# and JavaScript. These 4 languages offer the most salary till 2017, and it's 2018. So it's not that much late. You can start learning any of them. So it's pretty much clear that 4 languages passed our first checkpoint. Maybe the statistics will change in future, so you will have to do some of research. The second one is technology you want to learn. If you want to learn web development, you can choose HTML, CSS, JavaScript or many other languages. But remember, JavaScript offers the most salary. So if you want to choose web development, JavaScript passes your first checkpoint and the second checkpoint as well. If you want to learn Android app development, you can learn Java. Again, Java passes first and second checkpoint. So choose your programming language wisely, because you're gonna filter out the programming language that you don't want to learn and pile up the language you can learn and you want to learn. Okay. So now we have crossed 2 checkpoints. Now the point is the third one, the difficulty level. To be honest, as far as I know, each and every programming language are tough and they are equally tough. But it's like some programming language got easier syntax and other one got the tough one. Basically, from my point of view, I don't like C++ because maybe it's not that interactive for me. It is, but I don't like the graphical interface. It's just my perspective. I like Java, I like Python, I like each and every web development programming language like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and many others. As far as I know, the easiest syntax is of Python. You can choose Python or you can choose Java. Both got easy syntax. So at this point, I can say that I like Python and Python is ideal language for me, because Python is a language that passes 3 checkpoints for me. But now if I want to grow, then which language should I choose? Again, I'll follow these steps, but we'll have to make sure that our language is fast enough. Our language is stable enough. If I want to be a high-end game developer, so for that I can choose Java, because Java is slow. Java is good, but it is slow. So it's not the ideal one for game development. But if I go for C++, then I guess it's a nice language for game development. Making game is a different stuff. It's like it's based on game engine and on which programming language that game engine is developed. But we're not talking about that. So for now, I guess I cleared out your stuff, and I guess you can find ideal language for you. Still, if you think you are not able to find perfect language for you, go down in the comment section, write what you want from your language, and I'm gonna choose a language for you. And believe me, it would be worth trying that language. So if you made it till this far of this video, just hit the subscribe button right now. It would be a great pleasure for me. So thank you for watching this video. It's Utsav and I'm signing off.